Welcome to the first video in Language Services Basic Japanese series. We will have a total of 3 videos to help you learn the basics of the Japanese language. This video focuses on some of the basic Japanese pronunciation rules. In our next video, we will introduce Japanese greetings. The third video will teach you how to introduce yourself in Japanese, as well as a few useful phrases for when you find yourself traveling in Japan. We hope you find these videos helpful. Let's get started. Pronunciation. Japanese pronunciation is simple once you learn the rules. Let's start by looking at the vowels. If you have studied Spanish, you will find Japanese vowels very familiar. There are 5 vowels in Japanese.
あ、い、う、え、お、
Try pronouncing these 3 words.
秋、雨、歌。
Vowels can also be combined. In a couple of cases, you will notice that they blend together to make a diphthong, or the sound when 2 vowels are combined into 1 syllable. Note that if the vowel is next to itself, the sound is longer. Rather than go through every vowel combination one by one, let's just try pronouncing a few words. Remember to say all of the sounds.
大きい、上、英語、愛、カラオケ。
How did you do? Great. Let's go on to consonants now. There are 19 consonants. You can see that most of the sounds are the same ones used in English. There is one sound that most English speakers struggle with, the sound written as R or L. This is challenging because it is not an L or an R sound. It is somewhere between the two. Before I talk about the Japanese sound, try making the D sound.
D.
Do you feel the hard ridge behind your front teeth that your tongue touches? This is called the alveolar ridge. This ridge is used to make D, T, and N. Back to Japanese. To make the Japanese R sound, place the tip of your tongue on your alveolar ridge and let it flap quickly forward. To get a sense of what that feels like, say the word butter. Focus on how it feels to say the double T sound in the middle. Listen to what it sounds like in these words.
ありがとう。レストラン。泥棒。
Let's try it in a few words.
ドラマ。あり。ある。あれ。もろい。
If you can't get the sound quite right, don't worry. People will understand you if you pronounce it as an R or L. Another sound that many English speakers find difficult to pronounce is ts. It is the same as the sound in cats or sports, but can be hard for people to say at the start of a syllable. Place the tip of your tongue against the back of your top teeth and say ts. Here are a few examples.
津波。つまらない。いくつ。
This is the final pronunciation rule we will cover in this video. If the same consonant is next to itself, there is a short pause inserted, like a staccato in music. For example, if you see PP, like in the word
いっぱい。
let's try a few.
一切。ファックス。いらっしゃいませ。悪化。
Let's try a little practice now. There will be 3 rounds with 5 words each. Ready? Round 1.
山。服。4。寿司。8。
Round 2.
唐揚げ。四国。お好み焼き。阿波踊り。六本木。
Round 3.
清子。セリユ。中道。義久。大輔。
How did you do? We hope that this video has provided you with a basic guide to Japanese pronunciation. A written summary of the rules I went through is available on the same site where you viewed this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to Language Services. Thanks for watching our video, and we look forward to seeing you next time.